Welcome to the Marty South YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use our platform to build a website for your art supply store. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty South service yet, Marty South is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable, only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with different side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I don't need to head to the top and search for my market because I can see it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our art supply store so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail. Click on continue. Awesome. How can our customers get in touch with us? I'm going to go ahead and pop in our phone number as well as our email address. Awesome. Where is our art supply store located? I'm going to go ahead and pop in my street address as well as my postal code and click on continue. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday. We closed on Sundays. Awesome. Let's do a quick review, but everything looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next. If you need to make changes, click on update location or update hours. And look at that. Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my art supply store in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of all the awesome art supply products you're stocking in your store, and you want to make one or two changes to that content. Perhaps that was pre-written. You can absolutely do that. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to be a web professional. And you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either to help you with this. It's super simple. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make amendments. I'm going to make my way through each section from the top to the bottom, just showing you how simple it is so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works. So let's get cracking. I'm quickly going to head to the top, and the first thing I want to do is click on update section. I want to make sure this box is ticked so my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner of my Marty Sites website next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. I've already put in my physical location, my address, and the great thing about it is when you click on your physical location, it will automatically take your customers to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's move on. Over here, I'm going to put in our various social media platforms our art supply store is active on. Icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner as well as the bottom. Customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, and see what you're up to. I'm now going to hit to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, I do recommend you check out canva.com. You'll find a few great options on there that are free to use. My logo has been updated. If I want to make any changes to the logo, I can click on this little pencil over here. I can crop it a little bit so the logo fits better in the top section. I can add some filters, rotate it, zoom in. I'm now going to click done and go ahead and save my logo. Let's check how that looks. Absolutely awesome. That fits amazingly. We can make it bigger and smaller, but I'm happy with that sizing, so I'm now going to move along. Now with Marty Sites as well, we've pre-selected all the colors used throughout your Marty Sites website for your art supply store as well. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your business. Now, perhaps the colors used, I guess you could call this a green, but it's very vibrant and I really like it, so I'm actually going to leave it for my personal preference, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change it if this color doesn't quite go with your logo, your business cards, the signage throughout your store. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the handy little paint bucket over here and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. So I really like that color, so I'm going to go ahead and save it again and move on. Now over here, if you have your own images to be displayed in this section over here, browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Mighty Sites will automatically search for art supply store, but I don't think there's any suitable images there, so I do need to play around with the terms a little bit and see what pops up. So I'm going to go ahead and type in artwork and see what images are suitable. Okay, let's go ahead with paintbrush perhaps. Let's check what those options are. Awesome. So I think I've actually already selected that image. It looks really awesome that I was going to go ahead and select it again. But let me go ahead and just select another one so you can see how this option works if you want to change images. Let's check that out. That looks absolutely stunning. Happy with my selection. Let's head over to update content. Now over here we can change the title, subtitle. Button doesn't have to say contact us today. Perhaps you just wanted to say get directions so people can easily find your art supply store. Let's choose a link. We can link to another website. We can link to an action like click to call, directions, which I'm going to go ahead and select. But you can upload a PDF file if necessary. Maybe you have a catalog or your current promotions you're running in PDF format. You could upload it over there. That is another option. Let's move along. We're making such fantastic progress. Over here, again, pre-written content as a guideline for you, of course. Button can link to various places. If you want to make changes, click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your art supply store came to be, how you got into this industry. Does your team consist of maybe artists perhaps? Are you passionate about art and painting yourself? Go ahead and put all the details over here so your customers know your story. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services your business offers. Do you supply canvases, paintbrushes, acrylic paints, oil paint, frames, sketch pads, art easels? Go ahead and pop all those details over here so your customers know what exactly they can come to your store for. If you need to make any last minute changes to that address, physical location, trading hours, click on update section. Now, if you have a custom domain, all you need to do is click on connect your domain and say, I already have a domain, and go through the various steps of to linking it. Now, if you are struggling, there is a blog post over on our website, www.mightysites.com. Let's head over to the blog and check it out. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online, as well as that tutorial for linking your custom domain. On our blog, you'll find so many valuable articles over here, blog posts with tips on marketing your business on social media and directories and your community. Check it out. There are hundreds of blog posts over here with lots of valuable information. If you don't have a custom domain, click on our Want a New Domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. We've recently introduced the feature and we're super excited about it. I hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your art supply store on the Mighty Sites platform. Remember, the service is only going to cost $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details needed. You don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how well it works for you in your small business. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback.